Welcome to Computer Science Play Tutorials. Today, let's discuss about unsupervised learning technique in machine learning. So, in unsupervised learning technique, there is no supervisor. Algorithm itself derives insights from the input data without any supervision. It works for unlabeled data. In Unlike in supervised learning, we provide unlabeled data as input to the algorithm in unsupervised learning. It is used to derive hidden patterns from the input data. We are not providing any label data, or we are not providing any training data as label data. This is the main thing in unsupervised learning. We are providing unlabeled data as input, and we are not giving any supervision. Algorithm itself derives some hidden patterns from the input data and make predictions. How it derives insights from the input data? It groups the input data based on some similarity measures. For example, to understand unsupervised learning clearly, look at this example. Here, the task is to arrange playing blocks. What are the playing blocks? These are the playing blocks. Here in this example, it derives two kind of models, two kind of patterns. We are giving circles, triangles, rectangles, and hexagons as input, and these are some are filled ones and some are empty ones. Model 1 divides them into two categories, that is solid shapes and vacant shapes. But model 2 derives another kind of pattern. It divides the input based on the shape: circle, triangle, rectangle, hexagon. These are the patterns, kind of patterns derived from these input data. Unsupervised learning, in unsupervised learning, we will see two kinds of techniques. I will discuss it on this video. So observe clearly. Unsupervised technique, we can see two kind of algorithms: clustering, association. Another one is association. In clustering, for example, there are various shapes. Uh, it groups the similar points into a group. For example, from this data, all pluses are put into one category, all triangles are put into another category, circles into another category, minus into another category. From this input data, we get four groups: group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. It groups these points based on some similarity measure, that is, these all are pluses, all are triangles, all are circles, all are minus. This is called clustering. It groups the data, it makes the input data into groups. In association, for example, um, in a we go to a market and we bought um milk and bread. Milk and fevical, for example. 80% of the people bought bread along with milk. Only 5% of the people bought fevicol along with milk. So we consider these as frequent data item set. Frequent data item set, and use it for analysis. We neglect this. So association is based on market based analysis. Market based analysis, that is what items are frequently bought together. So these are the techniques used in unsupervised learning. Let us discuss these algorithms in further videos. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.